Is your boat in need of expert care? Welcome to ᴅᴏᴇᴛ's Cape Cod Marine Service. Boat maintenance is crucial for safety and performance, but common issues can arise. From engine troubles to hull damage, these problems can be daunting. At ᴅᴏᴇᴛ's, we specialize in comprehensive marine repair services. Our skilled team handles everything from routine maintenance to complex repairs. We use state-of-the-art equipment to ensure top-notch service. Our facility is equipped to handle boats of all sizes. We understand the importance of timely service to get you back on the water. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service. We offer personalized solutions tailored to your boat's needs. Our services include engine repair, hull maintenance, and more. We also provide seasonal services to keep your boat in peak condition year-round. Our commitment to quality ensures your boat is always ready for adventure. Join the many satisfied customers who trust ᴅᴏᴇᴛ's Cape Cod Marine Service. Contact us today to schedule your service and experience the ᴅᴏᴇᴛ's difference.